all this in the truth. Okay. Before you sit down, please pick up the pieces of flashes. Then you can sit down. Okay. Good morning, everyone. How was your day?
We're fine.
Okay. Okay, what was our unfinished topic class meeting? Mala?
So our last discussion is all about opposition.
Very good. Sit down and sit down now. So, our last topic is all about opposition. What is opposition, by the way? Yes?
Opposition is the definition of antinomy.
Okay, that's right. Another answer, please.
Opposition is the opposite meaning of the word.
Okay. Who can give me the perfect or the best definition of opposition or antinomy? Okay. Ariel.
So antonymy is a pair of words that have opposite meaning, which also known as opposition.
Okay, you can sit down. Your answer is correct. I'll give you the objectives that we need to gain. First objective, at the end of the lesson, the student will, please read.
Define what is antonymy.
Okay, the next one.
Develop a real camaraderie.
And then the last one.
Compose sentences with antonymy.
Okay, that are objectives that we need to gain. Now we are going to have an activity. I will going to group you into two groups, the group 1 and the group 2. So I want, can you please give me a representative, a boy representative and a girl representative? Mariel and Spiro, can you stand up in front? Stand in front of here. The remaining students will identify what are the opposites or the similarities they have. I will give you time so that you can differentiate with both students. Okay, what are your observations? Can you give me your observations? Here you go.
We observe that they are totally opposite.
Okay, yes, they are totally opposite. Another observations? Okay, Wala. The boy is a male and the girl is a female. Very good. So, they are male and female. How about Daniales? Can you give an observation?
The boy wears pants and the girl wears shirts.
Yes, the boy wears pants and the girl wears skirts. So, you can sit down now. Thank you for your cooperation. So, we are going to tackle what really is antinomy. Wow! So, who can read what is antinomy? Okay, here we go.
Antinomy is a pair of words that have opposite meaning, which also known as opposition.
So, antinomy is a pair of words. They are a pair of words, not just one word. Because you cannot give an opposite meaning if it's just one word. We already done our first activity. Now we have our game. So, I will say 10 words, then you will write your answers or with the opposite meaning of the word. So, I will give you 10 minutes to answer the opposite words. Okay. The first word is the word tall. The next word is the word big. Big. The third word is the word night. Fourth word is light. And the last word is the word wet. Okay, so this is your answer from the words that I gave. So what